Let me ask you something. What if you want to begin a drone that is under 249 grams, shoots 4K HDR and even 8K photos, has AI tracking, but you don't necessarily want to go the obvious DJI route? Well, this video might be interesting. This is a Potensic Atom 2, and today we're doing a proper first look, especially with the new PTT-1 screen remote controller. But before we jump in, quick question for you. If you're looking at your first drone right now, what matters most to you? Is it image quality, ease of use, battery life, or just something that won't overwhelm you on day one? Drop that in the comments, I'm really curious where you stand. And yes, this video is sponsored by Potensic, but as always, you know the drill. We look at it from a creator perspective, and we keep it real. So what makes the Atom 2 interesting? First of all, the drone is under 249 grams. That means in most countries you can fly without registration headaches. It's light, foldable and really fits in your bag. This thing shoots 48 megapixel photos, 4K HDR video, even supports P-Log if you want to color grade later. It has a 3-axis gimbal, up to 32 minutes flight time, 10km transmission range with peak sync at 4.0 and level 5 wind resistance. It gives beginners safety features like instant takeoff, auto return to home, adjustable height and distance limits, guided app navigation so you can grow into it. Now this is where things get really interesting. This is a new PTT-1 controller, and honestly, for beginners, this may be the biggest selling point. You do not need your phone, no cables, no notifications, no calls interrupting your flight. You power it on and you fly. It has a 5.5-inch 1080p screen, 700 nits brightness, 32GB internal storage and up to 3 hours battery life. 10km transmission with 1080p live feed at very low latency. For beginners, this is huge. It removes friction.
Perfect. Let's get battery here. Okay. The remote controller. Yeah. So start up the drone here. Here we go. We have the Atom 2 here, the Potensic Atom 2 with the new remote controller here that has already built-in screen. You don't need to use your phone, because right now I'm using the phone for piloting and monitoring and controlling the cameras. Let's start flying here. Let's do it one more time, okay?
The setup is honestly very straightforward. You go from box to air in just a few minutes, and that is exactly how a beginner drone should feel like.
And off we go! Here we go!
First impressions. One button takeoff. It lifts, stabilizes and just hovers calmly. That first hover is everything for beginners. It feels stable, it feels predictable, and the 3-axis gimbal keeps the footage smooth. Even with a bit of wind, it holds nicely. Confidence builds fast. Now let's talk about the fun stuff. AI track. You tap your subject on the screen. You have spotlight, follow, power rail. It locks on and tracks you automatically. QuickShots. You frame your subject, tap QuickShots, and you get rocket, circle, boomerang, pull away, and more. For beginners, this is gold. You get cinematic moves without being a pro pilot. Then there's CineRoll. One tap and you get that surreal rotating Inception style effect. Perfect for architectures, bridges, landmarks, and vans. So here's my honest first look takeaway. The Atom 2 feels like a drone that removes friction. It's lightweight, beginner friendly, strong image specs for the size, and the PTT-1 controller makes it incredibly simple. If you're just starting out and want something that is easy, doesn't overwhelm you, but still gives you room to grow creatively, the Potensic Atom 2 may be a very interesting option. Now I want to hear from you. Would you consider this as your first drone? Or are you already flying something else? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, links are in the description if you want more information. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching and see you next one. Bye for now.